The Nature Discovery Center's unique ability to make exploring science fun actually confronts a very serious yet quiet crisis in the United States, caused by a shortage of students pursuing careers in science and engineering.
The quiet crisis is a concern because the United States is running out of engineers, and we are ceasing to be as competitive in the world as we need to be.
Scientists like Dr. Sass believe that inspiring students at a young age is essential to reversing the nation's shortfall of scientists.
The Nature Center goes a long way in helping that process.
And we've had some great results. We've had students that come and tell us that they are studying science because of their experience at the Nature Discovery Center.
Patricia Restrepo began coming to the center as a child. Now she's seriously considering a major in biology as she prepares for college.
Before coming to the Nature Center, I was hesitant and didn't really want to learn much about science. It seemed overwhelming, but as I was introduced to it at the Nature Center through fun activities, I grew interested in it, and it just spawned a whole new love for biology.
You have to capture the imagination and interest of children when they're young, and then they will go on to become the scientists that we need. There's no more beneficial way, I think, that we could spend our money and our time than contributing to educational facilities like the Nature Center.
They develop the love for science in students.
This is where it's at, right here. This is the front lines of environmentalism. This is where you make people's lives better. This is where you make the world a better place through education.